Hey everyone, I've been wanting to try that Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic crockpot chicken and pasta recipe. So here it is. I have my chicken breast in there. That's about half a pound. I'm only doing half the recipe because it's just me and my husband eating it. So there's half a pound of chicken in there. And now I'm adding my seasonings. I do black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and McCormick garlic and herb seasoning. Now for the star of the show, the Parmesan garlic.
Yes, I added water. What kind of sauce is that?
Garlic Parmesan. And then I add about 3/4 of a block of cream cheese. I don't want it to be overpowering of that Parmesan garlic sauce because that is a wing sauce. That's for chicken wings, so I don't want just a mouthful of chicken wing sauce, you know. So then you also add some milk and some Parmesan cheese, about half a cup of each or so. You can add a little bit more milk depending on how, like runny or thick that you like your sauce. I like mine a little runny. And then here it is, after just 3 hours, I shredded the chicken already and mixed it up. And then I boiled some pasta noodles, a rotini, and put that in there and mixed it all up. And there's Mila.
What? What are you doing? Are these your tootsie toes?
And here's the finished product. It was very delicious. My husband absolutely loved it, and I did too. So this was a good recipe. Thanks, TikTok.